Is it safe to take flight during pregnancy? What about long car rides? Should I avoid train journey completely? Many expecting women feel anxious and even fearful about traveling while pregnancy. Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Bansal, consultant gynecologist in Navi Mumbai. In this video, I'll explain when travel is safe, what precautions you should take, and when it's best to avoid it, so we can travel with confidence and peace of mind. So many of you plan trips, whether it's for work or vacation. Naturally, there are questions and concerns like, is it safe? How should I travel? What precaution should I take? So let's talk about that. First of all, being pregnant doesn't mean that you have to stay stuck to home. Traveling is possible, but with some planning and care. Let's start with the main question. Is travel safe during pregnancy? The answer is yes in most of the pregnancies. Travel is considered safe, but safety depends on three things: your stage of pregnancy, your overall health, and the mode of transport. Now, are there situations where travel is not safe? Yes. Certain medical conditions or complications may make your travel risky. For example, if you had previous miscarriages, recent bleeding, low-lying placenta, history of premature labor, or carrying twins in multiple pregnancies, travel requires extra care. Other conditions like cervical stitch, high blood pressure, heart problems, or history of blood clot, especially for a long journey, also need a special attention. That's why it's always best to talk to your gynecologist before making travel plans. With the right guidance, you can plan safe and comfortable journey during pregnancy. When is the best time to travel during pregnancy? The best time to travel is the second trimester, which means between 14 to 28 weeks. By this time, the morning sickness of the first trimester usually settles down, and tiredness, swelling, heaviness of the last trimester haven't yet started. This middle period is generally safe, more comfortable, and gives you energy to enjoy your journey. This is also the period when the risk of emergencies like miscarriages, preterm labors is low, making travel more safe. However, after 28 to 30 weeks, it's better to limit long distance travels. What are the important precautions while traveling during pregnancy? So when you travel during pregnancy, few simple steps can make your journey safe and comfortable. Always carry your medical records and emergency contacts with you. Stay hydrated and eat light regular meals. During long journey, take short breaks to stretch your legs and walk a little. It helps to prevent swelling and blood clots. Wear comfortable clothes and supportive shoes. Make sure your seat belt is positioned correctly below your belly if you are in a car or a plane. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you feel pain, bleeding, or any unusual discomfort, stop and seek medical help immediately. By following these precautions while traveling during pregnancy, you can enjoy your trip while keeping both you and your baby safe. One of the most asked questions in the OPD is, which mode of travel is safest during pregnancy? Flights are generally safe in healthy pregnancies, but check airline rules and try to move around during long journeys. Car travel is fine if you wear seat belt correctly. The strap should go below your belly, not across. Take breaks to stretch. Trains are usually safe, but avoid overcrowded and jerky rides. Ship and cruises can sometimes worsen nausea and cause seasickness. So it's best to discuss with your doctor before planning any trip. To sum up with, yes, travel during pregnancy can be safe if your health allows. You choose the right timing and follow simple precautions. Every pregnancy is unique, so always check with your doctor before making travel plans. If this video helped answer your doubt, do like, share and subscribe for more women health and pregnancy related tips. Wish you a safe and happy journey ahead.